For more blooming, apply a balanced fertilizer with a higher phosphorus content every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Phosphorus promotes flower production. Avoid nitrogen heavy fertilizer as they can encourage leaf growth at the expense of blooms. Consider using bone meal, banana peel, compost, and other organic peels like onion peels. Pruning after each flowering cycle to encourage new growth and more blooming. Trim old branch and shape the plant. Slightly stress the plant by reducing watering for a short period can encourage it to bloom. Use the trails or support if growing bougainvillea as a vine. Inspect the plant regularly for pest and disease and address any issue. Avoid overpotting as bougainvillea flowers better when its roots are slightly crowded.